Hi, we join you today from the road opposite the High Court Nainital. Most of the top hotels like Radisson, Ashdale, Shavani Hilltop, Earl's Court, Swiss, etc. are located on this hillside. The video will give an idea of the location of these hotels and how far these are from the main town if one intends to walk down to it. We'll also tell you interesting facts about the places on way, so be with us till end. We are now at the Cheena Baba Chowk. During the 70s, the buses to Ramnagar used to start from here. The stand is now shifted to Sukatal. The road on our right is one-way motor road from Mall Road. To go down, the vehicles have to use the road we are taking. This road is now named High Court Road. Come, let's walk down. As you are seeing, this one-way road is quite narrow. This being off-season, the traffic is not much. But during season and weekends, the traffic barely moves. The hotels on our right were quite popular during 70s, but now are almost in a dilapidated condition. But in those days, Nainital had limited hotels, not like present when almost second building is either a hotel or homestay. This is the entrance to the Nainital Club, one of the oldest colonial club of India, started by the British during 1860s. Its beautiful original building was burnt down during 1970s by some miscreants of the then Chipko movement. It was later reconstructed and now is a state guest house. Do you know that during the shooting of the popular Bollywood film Bigirat, Meena Kumari with other cast stayed here? I am attaching a picture of the beautiful original building. There also used to be a Kashmir Emporium opposite the entrance of the club in the Coronation Hotel building. We don't see it now. The shops on our right are also a comparatively recent addition. The building on our left is the head office of Nainital Bank Limited. We are now nearing Bara Bazar. The Swift dry cleaners you see on our left is one of the oldest dry cleaners in town. We used their services quite often in 70s. The roadside shops on our left also started coming up in 80s. And now the complete road from Cheena Baba Chowk is a market. The building on our right is Royal Hotel, one of the oldest in town. Though it is past its prime, the hotel is popular because of its location. The branches of Union Bank, Bank of Baroda and Punjab National Bank are also here. This heritage building at the entrance of Bara Bazar originally used to be Allahabad Bank. We are at the Indira Market. It came up only during 80s and has grocery and mobile repair shops. It is a leisurely 10 minutes downhill walk from the High Court. So one can comfortably walk down from the hotels in that area. And this building earlier used to be a government school. We leave you here at the beginning of Bara Bazar. A video on this bazaar has already been uploaded on our channel. Do watch it also to know about the famous shops and things to buy. Until next time then. And yes, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Thanks.